morning, Dick.
Morning.
Morning, Nicholas.
I don't think I can wear those blue gloves.
All right.
Pretty sure they're yours. I think I can wear these.
All right.
More stretchy.
So this is our second day, and have you already kind of looked to see what you think about the odds are?
The dump is only open today.
Okay.
For the weekend, so it should be easy enough to finish wrecking this thing. Tree did a pretty good job ripping down one side, and probably just come over to the other side over there and just push it once we get everything out of it.
Does that include the metal shelf that sort of...
That's everything out of it, yes. It includes the metal shelf and the other shelf over there. So everything has to come out. Even anything trash on the floor, anything has to come out.
All right.
I wouldn't mess with that too much. It might be part of the thing holding it up. So we want to get that trash out of the side over here. Yeah. And some wood over here needs to go out that way towards the truck. Blankets are probably still good.
Thing got like that.
So it really blew out that one side. All right, so we'll see what we can do to get all the trash out of here before it crumbles the rest of the way.
Yeah.
Wow, all right, so look at us. We got the shed emptied of all the trash. It is fairly empty now. It's gonna be ready to be demolished the rest of the way. And here we have our first load ready to go. It consists of mostly metal, the metal filing cabinet, no, it's not filing cabinet, darn, just a metal cabinet that was in there. I think it kind of helped to save the shed. That's its nasty bottom there. And there's its handles and head shelves that we put all kinds of stuff on. Then our crushed shelves on the other side that weren't crushed, but probably not worth saving. And trash containers there. So first trip set to go. The second trip will be that shed and the garbage. Even though it's just a shed and not that you're part of the construction business. Okay, well, the guys left with the second load, consisting of mostly, or I should say all shed, but we weren't able to put everything shed-like all the shed parts in with the load. So we still have a little bit more left, but not much. Not much more exists of the shed. And then behind it, I got that tree yet to kind of clean up. So we're looking for other dead trees along here. We found ones that maybe have their top lost and could become a danger. So I'm not sure how much work we're going to do in this common area that we have behind the house. But we'll see. So yeah, there's still more work to be done. And this guy's got to do it. He's up for it. He's excited about it. In fact, he's dreaming about it right now. All right, well, almost done. Morning, Dick.
Morning, Jane.
We have a special visitor from, which land do you come from?
Yes.
Down under?
Down under.
Hello.
Hello. And again, tell us who you are.
Hi.
How are you dressed as?
Oh, how I'm dressed as?
Yes.
I'm Umbreon.
Say that again.
Umbreon.
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 Umbreon. And where does Umbreon come from?
It really depends. There's a lot of different places with Umbreon in it. But if you would like to make it easier, let's just say the Pokemon universe.
All right, Umbreon. It's good to have you on board today.
Well, we still got to finish cleaning up this shed disaster.
There's one behind you.
Yeah, there's a little bit left. The dump closed on us before we could finish it up last time we were out here.
And right now you're just warming up your machine.
Yeah, just making sure it's functional.
We had our first hard frost here last night.
Yeah. First process frost season. Cycle this through the hydraulics and let out.
It looks like you got some extra logs back there that we didn't pull from the back of our lot.
I did, and so there's still probably on that one cherry tree, there's still probably 2 more logs out of that.
And that's in our neighbor's
And I can
yard.
easily get to them from the back
On the
side.
backside.
Yeah.
And our neighbor's like, yeah, go ahead, take them.
Yeah, it's back there in what they call the forest preservation. Now, I'll show you that tree later. You can see where that tree just snapped. It did not uproot. It broke.
Huh.
Yeah, it was a mess. Something like twisted it and knocked it down. I don't know if that was a part of that twister that came through here.
Oh,
I think it might have been.
Oh, all right, because we did have.
Yeah, we had a twister that came through here. What was it, last spring?
Yeah, I think so.
And that was
Oh, now we can.
and that was a pretty dangerous thing for a lot of the community, and it kind of skipped over this house. But if you look at that tree, it's got kind of a twist at the bottom. Now that could have happened as it fell, but something made it fall. It didn't uproot.
There were definitely trees that were down in the area,
Oh, yeah.
so it could have been affected by that.
It could have been, and we were just lucky that gigantic poplar right there, the gigantic poplar over there, which that tree's got to be close to 4 foot in diameter at the bottom, man. That is one massive poplar.
Yeah,
We had
that.
we had some people take a look at that last year, see if it posed any danger to the house. Well, actually, we've been looking at it for many years, and last year they lightened it up because I was about ready to take it down. And I thought, he goes, nah, it's all healthy, just lighten it up. So we lightened it up, took some of the sails off the top. So, but other than that, it should be a pretty healthy poplar. And there's some big ones behind me too that could also potentially threaten the house at some point.
Yeah. So what do we got to do today?
So we're gonna finish taking all of this stuff to the dump, right? And then we are going to maybe restack some logs because I got a new toy. New tool. I should not call it a toy because it can
See,
get
that's
you
why
killed.
I think that you're playing all the time.
Whatever, man.
Because you call it your toys.
Got a new tool that came in that should be, it's going to be fun. We're going to try to use it to load logs onto our equipment trailer.
Okay.
Today we might go through a trial run just to see how we could do it. But we're going to take the tractor back down to the pond this coming Friday, get back down there and get to work. And then we'll haul the equipment trailer back up without the tractor the following week and then load it up with logs. Whatever logs I can try to harvest out of here. It's about a 150-mile journey to where they need to go, so everything's got to be strapped down good, pretty healthy.
So what is it that we need to do?
We got to get to it.
We got to get to it.
I think I'm going to move those out of the way so we can get better access to that. And then see if I can use the tractor to bust up some of those pieces. And then once we get it kind of like where we can manhandle it, we'll bring the truck down here. Our help is getting their pajamas off, getting their work clothes on.
They're still sleeping in.
Yeah. See our new sweatshirt we got visited Woodline.
Like your sweatshirt.
Yeah, nice shirt. Very, very appropriate for this morning's weather. All right, let's get to work.
You can have the camera back now.
All right. Thank you. Thank you for being our videographer. Your first movie.
First movie-ish type thing.
Oh my.
Ish type thing. I feel like it'd be more of an episode because you put on multiple things of this.
So yeah, it's like a whole episode. So not only did you just do a single movie, you really have done, you know, episode 1, no, season 3, episodes 1, 2, and 3.
What are you talking about?
About bringing the shed down
Oh.
and taking care of it.
Yeah, this is the
it
third.
took-
This is the third installment out
Yes.
here.
Really?
Yeah, so it took that long.
Oh wow.
I don't
That
know.
we're still not done because now we want to harvest that wood over there. Excuse me.
Yeah, we gotta harvest
So we can
wood.
see got some
Take
wood
down the fence.
from the neighbor's property.
Yeah, they don't want it, so
No,
that's
he
all.
told me I did him a favor by getting rid of it. And then there's this giant oak back there. It was dead standing, but as I begin to cut it up on the ground, it looks pretty solid in the middle. Like a good 18 inches in the middle is solid. So I think that's worth harvesting and getting some blocking material or something out of it for our other gig at the pond, man.
When we actually get back on the pond,
No, it's
tell
not-
them the sad news, Dick. It's
We're
going to
not
be
going
more
this
than
weekend.
21 days.
Yeah, it's gonna be like 30. Unfortunately,
A whole
we would be on the pond today,
Except what?
except I got put on call at work, so I can't leave the area.
That's right. That's right. I'm bummed.
She took it way harder than I did.
Because my land just got surveyed and now I can't go see my domain.
Her survey markers so she can see her domain.
Yeah.
It ain't going anywhere. And if the markers fall off that easy, oh my, I ain't panicking.
It's not going to fall off that easy. I just have to be patient.
Coal snot.
All right, so off the jump you guys go.
Yep. But before we do, let's get some cardboard so we can take that down there. Oh, from my new piece of equipment I got yesterday.
Yes, which you haven't told anybody yet.
It's going to be awesome.
What your new toy is. Just
Tool.
calling it what
It's a
you called
tool.
it.
It's not a toy. It will get you killed if you don't know what you're doing with it.
Any toy can do that.
That's right.
That's right.
Even a plastic serrated butter knife that you get in your office.
Right.
But you can't bring a tennis racket in because that might be used as a weapon. I'm just saying. Not that I'm bitter about that.
Is that a dick tip?
No, it's not. And shame on you for thinking shameful.
Think of the children.
Keep telling you, that'll never make it into the video.
I paused long enough.
We're at the dump.
Start back seat.
happen
Come get a picture of our pile.
after it's done as well.
This is done in